Namaste. Welcome to our next lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about the number in international system. Okay. In previous lesson, we have learned national system. Here, we will learn international system. How we have to write in international system. The place value of this international system is a little different. So here I have written here numbers. Okay, so firstly we have to separate it with the help of commas, and then we will draw a place value chart for international system, and then we will write their number name also. Okay, so the way of writing is different, but the number will be same. Okay, so let's do it here. In international system, what we have to do is we have to put commas in every three numbers. Right? We have a 3 digit comma dine. After that 3 digit comma. Here also 3 digit is there, right? So we never put comma over here. Front ma ta kale rakdaina, it is useless. So stop here. Okay. So international system, it is very easy. Why? Because we have to separate every three digit. Okay, you tinta number left. Townie, you tinta number, you tinta. So like this, you can put the commas. In national system, what we have done, in starting we have to separate with three after 3 numbers, and then 2 like that. But here 3 everywhere, we have to put three numbers, and we have to put the comma. Okay. So place value. Okay. So how to do? Let's see here. Place value. Okay. Firstly, we have to separate into 3 parts, because we have to, as we have already seen here, we have already separated by using commas in every 3 numbers. So here also in place value chart also in the same way we have to separate it. Okay. So here firstly it will be unit place, and then thousand, and then million. Okay, there will be no lakh, there will be no crore, there will be no arab. Okay, simply unit, thousand, and million. Unit, thousand, and million. So here in unit, thousand, and million, let's see, we have to separate into 3 parts. Thousand also 3 parts, million also 3 parts. Okay. So like this. So in unit, as you know, it will be ones, tens, 100. After that 1000, and here it will be 10,000, and here it will be 100,000. In short way also you can write it. Here it will be million, 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, so in this way you can write it in international system. Right? 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So now put this number. First start with the right hand side. 2 will come here. 8, 4 it will be in 100. 1000 will be 7. In 10,000, 5 will come. In 100,000, 9. In place of 1 million, 3. 10 million is 2. 100 million is 8. So I have already written here in place value chart. So now what you have to do is we have to write this number in number name. Okay. So let's see here. So this is called the place value chart in international system, right? So as I already told you, we have to put commas in every 3 numbers, after every 3 numbers, right? So firstly, what you have to do is, like before, we have to see this number. What we call this number? 823, right? So 823. So how to write here in number name? 800. 8 8 800 and what is this? 23. 23. So 823 we have written, but 803 is in million. So right here million. Okay, 823 million. Well, after that, this part, what number is this? 957, right? So right here 957. 957. So this one is in which place? 1000 place. So right here 1000. After that, this part is left. So it is 400 and at that 82. Finish. Like this we have to separate into three parts. First is million part, after that 1000 part, and then unit part. 823 million because it is in million place, right? So 100 million, 10 million, 1 million बजेर फरक पर्दैन. तपाईले कसरी लेख्ने हो भने चाहिँ 823 million भनेर त्यति लेख्नु. 957,482. So simple, right? So international चाहिँ के छ? एउटा सिम्पल वे छ यसको चाहिँ. किन सिम्पल भयो? किनभने एभ्री नम्बरमा चाहिँ के छ? तीनटा नम्बरमा चाहिँ कोमा छ नि त नि, त्यही भएर चाहिँ सजिलो भयो यो पहिलाको भन्दा हैन नेसनल. So in this way, you have already learned place value chart of international system, how to write a number name, as well as how to separate this number in international system, right? So suppose this number now, if you have to write numeral means you can see here. कसरी लेख्ने 823 छ भने के लेख्ने त यहाँ 823. अब मिलियन छ है, मिलियन आयो त्यो कोमा दिनुहोस्. अब के लेख्ने 957 कोमा दिनुहोस्. अब 482 automatically यो मिलियन मा 1000 मा कन्भर्ट भइहाल्छ. सो हेरौँ 1 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000 मिलियन 10 मिलियन 100 मिलियन. भयो सिम्पल है. यसलाई हामीले नम्बर नेममा पनि गर्यौं अनि नम्बरमा or you can say numeralमा पनि गर्यौं दुईटा वे, right? So in this way you can do it by yourself also. So there are many questions in your books. You can try by yourself, right? By putting any numbers, or you can write it any numbers and try to do this. Okay. I have done here two chart together. Okay. Two place value chart together. From here you can see it is national. It is national from here. From below it is international. Okay. From below you can see it is international. See here ones, thousand, million. You can clearly see here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Hey. After that 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, which is the place value of for this international system. Okay, you can see here clearly. After this, in here you can see the place value chart of national system. This is national system. 1,000 lakh crore. In the middle, I have written here numbers according to their place. So what we have to do is we have to compare here. What we have to learn is how to compare between national and international system, and what can we get, what is the difference between national and international system of counting numbers, right? So let's look here. Ones, tens, let's compare. We are comparing 100, 1,000, or you can say 1,000, 10,000, 10,000. After that 1 lakh, 100,000, 10 lakh, 1 million, 1 crore, 10 million, 10 crore, 100 million. So you can see here clearly up to 1,000, both the number system have equal number of counting, right? Same something up to here. One stands 100, 1000, 10,000 सम्म same छ national and international को. तर यहाँबाट है from lakh or in international system you can say 100,000 बाट र 100 million सम्म चाहिँ different छ. So के different रहेछ हेरौँ. यहाँसम्म 1000 सम्म सेम छ है. सरी 10,000 सम्म सेम छ. अब 100 बाट चाहिँ डिफरेन्स छ. के डिफरेन्स छ भनेपछि हेर्नुस् यहाँ 1 लाख 1 लाख नेशनल सिस्टम को इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम को कति हुन्छ 100,000 100,000. सो यो रहेछ डिफरेन्स राइट. 1 लाख भनेपछि कति हुँदो रहेछ इंटरनेशनल सिस्टममा 100,000 हुँदो रहेछ. हो त्यो बुझ्यो. अर्को कुरा 10 लाख 10 लाख मा इंटरनेशनल मा कति हुँदो रहेछ 1 मिलियन है. यो कम्पेरिजन गरेको है. 10 लाख इज इक्वल टु 1 मिलियन. यो दुईटा बराबर हो सेम हो नि त है. यिनीहरुको सेम हुन्छ बट द वे अफ प्रेजेन्टिङ इज डिफरेन्ट. वन इंटरनेशनल र नेशनल सिस्टम को प्रेजेन्ट गर्ने डिफरेन्ट छ तर चाहिँ उनीहरुको भ्यालु चाहिँ सेमै हुन्छ है फेरि. अब आफ्टर दैट 1 करोड 1 करोड. So 1 crore in international system you can say 10 million. यो याद राख्नुस् है. यो कुरा याद राख्नु पर्यो. 1 लाख मा इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम मा 10,000 हुन्छ भने 10 लाख मा 1 मिलियन हुँदो रहेछ. 1 करोड मा 10 मिलियन हुँदो रहेछ भन्ने थाहा भयो. अब अझै एउटा छ 10 करोड. 10 करोड मा चाहिँ कति हुँदो रहेछ 100 मिलियन. Okay, 10 crore मा कति हुँदो रहेछ 100 million. Okay, these are the difference between national and international system. हो यसरी तपाईहरुले कम्पेयर गरेर यसको डिफरेन्स चाहिँ थाहा हुन्छ है. 1 लाख मा 100,000 हुँदो रहेछ भन्ने थाहा भयो. यो कम्पेरिजनले हेर्दाखेरि यो चार्टबाट 10 लाख मा 1 मिलियन हुँदो रहेछ. 1 करोड मा 10 मिलियन हुँदो रहेछ अनि 10 करोड मा 100 मिलियन हुँदो रहेछ. Okay, so you can say 100 million national system मा कति हुन्छ भन्दा है it is 10 crore and 10 million in national system it is 1 crore. 1 million in national system it is 10 lakh and 100,000 in national system it will be 1 lakh. Okay, so through this chart we have differentiate all these 4 points है. सो यसरी थाहा भयो. अब अझै त अरब पनि हुन्छ है. मिलियन को बिलियन हुन्छ. हो त्यसरी तपाईले अझै पनि डिफरेन्स पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ है. तर 10,000 सम्म चाहिँ सेम हुँदो रहेछ नेशनल र इंटरनेशनल सिस्टममा. त्यहाँ कुनै डिफरेन्स हुँदैन. यहाँ 10,000 भयो भने नेशनलमा पनि 10,000 नै हुन्छ. 100 भयो भने त्यहाँ पनि 100. 10 भयो भने त्यहाँ पनि 10 नै हुन्छ. 1 भयो भने त्यहाँ पनि 1 नै हुन्छ है. चेन्ज कहाँबाट हुँदो रहेछ त यसको 100,000 बाट अनि त्यसको 1 लाख बाट. ओके, सो यसरी नै तपाईहरुले कम्पेयर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ नेशनल र इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम है. कम्पेयर गर्दा these are the points that we have got that 1 lakh makes 100,000, 10 lakh which is 1 million, 1 crore 10 million and 10 crore it is 100 million भनेर थाहा भयो हामीलाई. ओके, सो okay, I'll rub this one. I have written here one questions for you. You can try this one. The question is like write the 8-digit smallest and largest number, or you can say greatest number in words. Here are words me, and then write in both the system. हामीले दुईटै सिस्टममा पढिसकेका छन्, international as well as in national system. So we have to write. First, what we have to write is we have to write 8-digit smallest and greatest number, and then that number we have to write in both the system in words. Okay, so you write it here. Smallest 8-digit number, which is smallest, right? So smallest value is 1 also, right? 8-digit value, so you have to add how many zeros? 7 zeros, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Don't put comma over here till now. Now greatest, or you can say largest, 8-digit number, which is 999345678. Simple, right? Now you can see we have to write in words, but we have to see in which system. First, national system. Okay, national system. So once again you can write it. Smallest, directly you can write it 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Put the comma. Okay, so where we have to put commas? After 3 digit and then 2 2 2, like that. So now we have to write in number. Okay, number name. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It is 1 crore. So you can simply write here 1 crore. Okay. After that there is 0. So 0 to be never write, right? So the in word you can simply write here 1 crore. Finished. Simple, right? After that 999945678. Here also put commas over here, but here you can write 1 crore directly. You have to count it. 1 10 100 1000 10 lakh 10 lakh crore. This is in crore. Okay, so separate it. You have to separate into how many groups? 1 2 3 4 groups. Okay, so 9 is in crore place, so it will be 9 crore. After that 99, okay, which is in which place? Lakh. 99 lakh. After that 99,000. 99,000, and then last group, which is 999. And 99. So simple, right? Like this you can write in national system. Now international. Okay, we have to write the same number into international system also. Okay, first what we have to write? The smallest number. Same. So here the difference is putting comma, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3, and here. So how can you read this number? 1 10 100, 1000 10,000, 100,000, million 10 million, right? So you can simply write here 10 million. Okay, so 1 crore is equal to 10 million in international system. Now for writing this number in international system, I have to drop this one. Continuing this one, okay. Okay, putting comma over here, here. Okay, so count it. 1 10 100 1000 10,000, 100,000, million 10 million. So you can see like this, 99 million. Million, because both are in million place. Now this one, okay, 999,000. And 99,000, again 999. 99. Okay, done. So like this, you can write different others numbers. I have written in 8 digit, you can write 9 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit in the same way. If they have told you to write in both the system, you have to write in both the system. If they have told you, if they have already mentioned in international way, international okay. So before writing in number system, what you have number name, what you have to do is you have to write the smallest 8 digit number and largest 8 digit number. Then only with this number you have to write national and international system. Okay. So you can do like this. Hope you have understand. Okay, thank you so much. Namaste.